Hello everybody, welcome to week 15. I'm going to quickly go over the assignments that I have for you this week so that you know what's going on. But like I said last week, we're going to be working on the part 2 of the protective case design brief. At this point, you should have your design completely sketched up and on shape and ready to go. So you'll see that assignment here as well as a checklist. This checklist is basically that assignment. Sorry, let me open that assignment broken down again for you. Make sure you do these things for those different steps. So step 1, list considerations and insert a isometric view of the top and bottom of your case. So in step 3, list your considerations, paste a picture of the top of your case and the bottom of your case isometrically from Onshape. Step 4, create a multi-view drawing that is dimensioned of the top of your container. Create a multi-view drawing that is dimensioned of the bottom of your container and paste those photos into step 4. For those that might not remember, I'm going to quickly show you how you would create a drawing, how you would insert your views, how you would dimension. So I'm going to use something that is not the protective case as an example, just because mine is not showing up right now, but my piece for another class will do just fine. So you're going to open up the part that you want. Remember, you're going to have 2 parts. One should say top. I'm going to rename this one. One should say bottom. And then you'll go over to this part, right click, create drawing from part. If yours says ANSI B and the only one is ANSI B, just show Onshape drawing templates. If you click on that, it'll open up all the options. Never click MM because that means millimeters and we're not doing it in millimeters. I want ANSI A inch and I'm going to click 4 views and I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to automatically put in your front, top, right side, and isometric view in the drawing for you. Now, it might come in, it might be small, it might be big. I don't know what yours is going to look like. If you click these little sheets over here and open that up and click on all your views, you can right click, go to properties, and you can scale it. I'm going to make mine 1 to 2. It's going to make it slightly larger. Maybe you'll be able to fit 1 to 1, whatever. 1 to 2 is what is going to be able to fit for me. So I'm going to click OK. I don't really need all these scales. 1 scale will be good enough, which I have it there. I can change this into a shaded view, make it nice looking, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to start adding in my dimensions. So we got to remember all of our dimensions for our, oops, click the same one twice, for our drawing. Want to make sure that we're getting those in. So you're going to go through, you're going to dimension top, bottom, front, top, front, and right side. Oh my goodness, it's freaking out. I can close this, that's on my way. But once you have that done, you can take a screenshot, and this is what you would insert into step 4 for your create a multi-view drawing. Now remember, you have to do that for both the top and the bottom. Then finally, step 5, answer these things, do these things, and type them or submit them into step 5. So that is what you're doing for the part 2. Once you finish all of that, you're going to go in and you're just going to take some notes on tolerances, because we're going to be next week going into the new unit. We're going to be going into unit 2, and the first thing we got to talk about is tolerances and what tolerances are. So check that out for me. But otherwise, feel free to shoot me a Schoology message if you have any questions, or you can ask me in class. Hope you guys have a great week.